his brother.
What you get, what you get. There's something you should never forget. And now I got your number written on my cigarette case.
I reckon there must be quite a technique to driving it with that one rudder.
You do with all that your way you do. Nothing to realize. I keep trying to realize. And now I got your number written on